So here's the problem I'm having in Logic that I'm hoping somebody out there can help me with. First, I'm going to create an external MIDI track. I don't have anything hooked up through external MIDI right now, but that's okay for the purposes of showing the problem. And it defaults just to the GM device in the environment, which is fine for the example. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Empty MIDI Region and double-click that. Select my pencil tool, and I'll draw a few notes in here. It doesn't really matter what I draw, just something to make some noise. I hit play here, of course, and since I don't have anything hooked up, I don't hear anything, which is what I expect, so no big deal. So the problem here is I work on one Mac where I have the external MIDI gear, and then I want to put this project on a laptop and actually work on it away from the studio. So what I want to do is go in here and say New Software Instrument, and I'm going to use a software piano like the Pop Piano here, for example. And what I understand is using this reassign track function is that I can go in here and pick to reassign my external MIDI track to this instrumental one, software instrument Pop Piano. And when I do that and I hit play, I don't hear anything, which is, I wonder if that's a bug or if I'm doing something wrong. I'm going to change my tool here to the scissors tool, and I found this by accident. If I hit, I'll split this in the middle and back up the playhead. And I still don't hear anything when I hit play. Nothing plays. But if I do an undo, and in essence undoing the split of that track, then suddenly I have sound. So that is kind of bug number one with external MIDI. I wanted to play around with it a little bit more, so let me delete this track, or the region, and we'll go ahead and delete these. Suppose I could have just done, okay, so can't delete the last one. That's okay. So here's an example where I have a Pop Piano loaded up, software instrument, create empty MIDI region. Again, I'm going to draw some events in here. And you can hear them sound, which is what I expect. Now I'm going to go and create another software instrument. So I'm basically going to replicate the problem I'm having, taking the external MIDI instrument out of the picture. So I'm going to create a new one. This time I'll do something totally different, like an electric guitar. And again, if I want this Pop Piano track that I have, I'm thinking by using this reassign track, I should be able to say, instead of the Pop Piano, I want you to use the electric guitar. So I'm going to hit play right now. Notice that it's still the piano sound instead of the guitar. If I use my scissor tool to actually split this, that was still the piano sound. I don't know if you caught it. It's still the piano sound on that track. Let me move the, or let me do the undo, I'm sorry. And now magically, I have my crunchy electric guitar. So it seems like a bug to me, but not positive. Hopefully someone can point me either. If you think I'm doing something wrong, I'd love to hear it, because this will definitely be something that I have to work through in order to have my workflow work for me. So thank you for watching, and hope you can help. Thanks.